guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Jeez, another Sunday cooking episode. It is New Year's Eve here in Samoa. Just want to say a special talofa to all our audience and viewers, especially to our Ainga members. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're trying to keep it really simple this time. Fingers crossed we keep it simple. It's just me, uncle, wife, and my youngest son. All the kids are at my wife's sister, and so yeah, it's we're trying to keep it really simple today because there's not that many people. So yeah, I'm just still half asleep at the moment. But I came in, uncle, as you guys saw, the uncle already scraped the taro, so I'm just gonna pop it in the oven and then see what we've got for tonight today. We'll check the fridge. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we finished raiding the fridge. I've actually got EP, turkey tail out. We've got mamoe, I'm just defrosting outside in the sun. And we've got a block of ham. So far that's what I've got. And that's what we'll work with today. So it's all a bit spontaneous at the moment. Only because, you know, we had meat in the fridge, but I just didn't know what to cook yet, so we're trying to plan as we go. But it's pretty straightforward. Then we'll probably do a roast or something, roast them all, but we'll see how we go. But I want to tell you guys, I got myself a little Christmas Eve present. If you guys can see there in the background, those two cans. Yep, you know what it is. So we'll pop those after tonight today, just to heighten the senses before we eat. But yeah guys, taro's already in the oven, so we're just gonna wait for a bit, allow everything to just defrost. Okay. We're in that defrosting stage. Yeah. Alright guys, so we finally got our protein sorted. We're going to show you guys now. It's almost ready, so that's good. But we've got our mamoe, we've got turkey tail in there, I think that's pork head, and we've got our ham. So far so good. I might have to, for the turkey tail, I'm probably going to go get some taro leaves so that we can cook our usual, not our usual, that one cook I did, that one dish I did the last Sunday. So hopefully it doesn't get too hot so that I can go get some taro leaves. But so far, got about 2.5 hours left, so that's a lot of time, but not that many dishes, so we're good. good. We'll go check on the mom way. Oh, hell yeah! All right, so the mom was looking very good. We're just gonna pop the ham back into the oven to brown it. Alright guys, so the turkey tail is now on the heat. We're now onto the final stretch of things. Just gonna quickly pluck the tips of the luau leaves, roll them up, and then dice them, throw them into the turkey tail once it's ready cooked. But yeah guys, everything's been going good so far. You know, I think we might have another church thing tomorrow, still not sure at the moment. But New Year's Eve tomorrow for sure, there's going to be quite a lot of you know, people going to the beach and stuff, people having barbecues. But I don't think I'll be doing any of that tomorrow. Probably go check on the cows, feed the pigs, and then probably take a nap. Need a lot of rest, man. It's been so busy these past few months, especially the past few weeks. Hardly got time to rest, so I think that'll probably be one of my New Year's resolutions, is to rest as much as possible. But yeah guys, if you guys have enjoyed the episode so far, and hope you guys enjoyed, you know, our content this year as we're finishing up. You know, I really enjoyed making content this year for you guys, and the fact that everyone loves it, you know, makes me want to do even more better. So make sure you know, you like, comment, subscribe. If you want to go the extra mile, we also have our eyeing memberships for only $4.99 US a month. Just want to say thank you to everyone who signed up for the eyeing members, everyone who's donated for the channel. You know, the super chats, super donations, those people, even people that have donated in person, because I've actually had a few people that have donated in person. So a special thanks to you guys all, to all you guys, because had it not been for you guys, you know, the channel wouldn't have been to where it's at today. But yeah, some people might be drinking tonight. Be sure to enjoy responsibly. But for me, it'll probably be just resting. I've got a couple of beers here. I'll probably have a few, a couple of these beers before I eat today, you know, just to enhance the taste buds a bit. So yeah, hopefully you guys join me in it. If you do have a beer or a wine, whatever, might as well grab it now, because gonna do a toast and a cheers to you guys soon. All right, so that's done. The lamb is actually smelling really good at the moment, so I'm definitely going to get it out. I just threw in a few potatoes for my son. He's about 1.5 years now, so I don't think he can chew mamwe that well, so he won't be eating mamwe. But that's why I threw in some potatoes for him. So it's roasting, and then I'll peel off the skin once it's done. But yeah guys, hope you have your drink there with you. We're gonna have a toast, you know, to a great year. Just gotta pop it open. Ooh, bro. You know, I don't normally drink on Sundays, When I did begin drinking, I made it a rule to myself to never drink on Sundays. So this is one of those very special moments, and why not enjoy it with you guys? So thank you for a great year, guys. Really enjoyed it. Thank you for the support on the channel. We're gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy it with you guys. So hope you've got your beer, whatever you've got to the toast. Here's to a prosperous 2024. Thank you for being the great audience and the viewers that you are. Thank you to all our members, and thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it, guys. So here's to a prosperous and a successful 2024, and thank you for a great 2023. Cheers, guys. Bang. So good. Look at that juice. All right. Yeah, she's good. Starting to stick to the pot, so that means it has reduced down to the oil. So we're definitely gonna pop in the luau's now. That food be bussin'. All right, just gonna wait for it to cool down. Well, I was almost, PP is almost ready, so we'll cook that up too. All right, guys, so we finally reached the end of today's episode. It's just me and the wife and baby having Tonai uncles having their church Tonai upstairs. So I'm going to show you the results. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For everyone who made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the content. So we're going to show you guys the results. Starting from this side, we've got our taro. Let's just turn on the light there. We've got our mamoi. Look at that bad boy. Yeah. Got our turkey tail with taro leaves. And we've got our pineapple, our ham with pineapple, and some roast potatoes there. Potatoes, so good. Weesh. I'm so sorry for everyone who wants to eat and has to see this, and now they have cravings. I'm trying my best not to show food, but man, it's so good, guys. So now we're gonna sign off, guys. I want to take this opportunity to wish everyone a happy New Year's from us here in Samoa, my wife, family, uncle, and everyone here on the farm. Just want to wish everyone a prosperous and a successful new year. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode, but do enjoy your New Year's, guys, and stay safe and enjoy responsibly. So definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll catch you guys soon. Hi. Okay, dig in.